What's good, Wave Gang? We're back today.
Back today for
on the
another
roads. Baz, bro.
Wave
Baz
gang.
just nearly ripped off into the back of the punt on.
man's nearly
And
got
don't forget Jack's in the back.
Oh,
Yeah.
Jack's in the back. Man said, what?
As you can hear, there's a guy in the back right now. It's all mad. It's all mad.
Where we going,
yeah,
though?
It's London
right now,
drivers for you,
yeah, we have all put our faith in Baz.
Push yo.
Yeah, and we're letting Baz decide where we're going today. So
Where am I going?
basically, we're probably gonna end up on fucking the side of the M25 somewhere.
Oh, did you not know? We're doing London to Brighton on PITBIKES. Let's go. Let's do this.
Oh, yeah, that's a.
But yeah, I don't even know where we're going, to be honest. But we're going somewhere lit. So yeah, man, stay tuned. We gonna get into it. So right now, we outside with it.
We outside with it.
Active. Jack just wheeling. He done pretty well there, didn't he? I don't even know where we are right now though, but it's pretty lit. Oh shit. You nearly died! Alright, B-Rad nearly fucking died. Bare times. Alright, that was funny as fuck. Alright, this place is fucking lit.
I nearly ran off.
A few times.
I'm going at that one.
The Moondem
Active.
Wave Gang.
Mud on your face and all that.
No, it's freckles, man.
Man like Jackie Chan. I send that hill then. Gee. Light work. What are you saying? Big senders. Let B-Rad go first.
Huh?
Go on, B-Rad. Straight send it.
Are you sure?
Yeah, mate.
Is it easy, man?
Yeah, it's easy, man.
This fucking piece of shit, man.
Look at these shit riders, bro.
Come out, man. Go on, you go up.
Look at these shit riders, bro.
Piece of shit. I went-
Where man just rit off in front of man. That's how you do it, innit? Look at these fucking learners, bro. Fucking amateurs, mate. These are fucking amateurs, mate. Look at this worm. Look at this worm. Wormy. No, go this way. Oh, yo, 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 yo.
What are you doing?
No, I was gonna go through that way. Go this way. B-Rad nearly dropped like 10 fucking times. I don't even know if I got it. I was too busy concentrating on what was on the floor in front of me, but that shit was fucking funny. I don't get it twisted, yeah. These lot are not blowing. I'm just staying back because I can see a crash happening. And I ain't trying to be involved in it. I ain't trying to get caught up. That was pretty sick. Little run there.
That way!
Alright, basically, this GoPro battery is about to die. B-Rad's stuck over there. It's actually peak. But yeah, I hope you lot enjoyed this one. Make sure you, what's it? Like, comment, subscribe,
And
or don't. I couldn't really care less. I'm gonna upload another video for you anyway. So yeah, you'll see me next time, innit? I ain't gonna see you next time. You're gonna see me next time. Let's get it.